If you are a fan of superhero movies, you know that one of the most important capabilities of these heroes is self-healing. Maybe this capability is based on our eternal dream as a human being. We have always dreamed of immortality and have worked hard to achieve it. We still have a long way to go, but maybe we are closer than you think. They say your skin is your most valuable garment. Also, human skin is one of the most challenging organs to regenerate. Even more challenging than the brain itself. But why? Probably the answer to both questions is the same. Your skin is not just an elastic tissue that covers your entire body. Rather, it has a large number of blood vessels inside it. It also hosts a complex network of nerves. Nerves that if damaged, there was almost no way to restore them. I said there was no way. Is it now? Probably yes. Imagine having the ability to heal yourself like the superheroes I mentioned earlier. Not exactly like Deadpool, but maybe similar to Wolverine from X-Men. An ability that allows you to remove scars or burns as if they never existed. Not just in appearance, rather, all the nerves and blood vessels return to their previous state. Doesn't even the thought of it make you feel empowered? You might say, wait, it's not possible. But electro-skin researchers say yes, it is. Apart from the superhero aspect we mentioned, the most important use of a prosthetic skin is perhaps for those whose skin has been damaged for any reason. Perhaps this was one of the most important motivations of e-skin researchers. In fact, at this stage, put aside the thought of becoming a superhero because the goal is not to make a new skin. Confused? Let me tell you what researchers are working on right now. Principal research is underway at MIT and led by Joo-Won Kim. This research group has succeeded in producing a wireless and flexible chip that is placed under the skin and monitors vital signs. This chip even has the ability to connect to the brain to transmit the sense of touch. But how this chip works, Joo-Won Kim says,
if there is any change in the pulse, or chemicals in sweat, or even ultraviolet exposure to skin, all of this activity can change the pattern of surface acoustic waves on the gallium nitride film, and the sensitivity of our film is so high that it can detect these changes.
It can be said that 2024 is the year of e-skin, because if we put together previous research in the production of skin-like human skin and the new achievement of a chip that simulates the sense of touch, we see that we do not have a long way to reach the final product. These skins can even be used to make living robots. Imagine that you are petting your robot and it is enjoying it too. What are the other things that will be possible with this achievement? What comes to your mind?